Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are only using train loot. If I don't get on the train, then yeah, that'll be bad. No train loot for me. But if I can't get to the train loot, I could literally, let's first just land someplace. And I'm thinking if there's players on the train, I'll shoot them up. There. We'll just find a weapon first, maybe. Or we'll just head on straight on the train. And I have an experience with the train of bad luck. Please be at the railways. I don't care what the name is, blah. Now where is it? Are you kidding? Headed off the past. Wait. So maybe. Wait. Train, come on faster. I see you, train. Maybe first land there and get a weapon and then I'll... Quickly, let's get this. Quickly. Let's get this and then let's hop on. No one landed on the train? It's perfect. Also like this weapon. Train loot going good so far. Come on. I'm worried about. Give me that. Actually, give me the Dalamy. Wait, what? I don't have any shotgun. I guess I'll just have to use this. Please give me something better. No! Please give me that! No! No, this is not what I wanted. Okay. I'm gonna stay on this train. Maybe. I can do it 4 times, are you kidding me? I can do it infinite, yes! This is incredible. Don't need that stuff. We're just gonna get some stuff. Come on. Just hurry up. Infinite tons. This is not even myths, but if you go back here, and it seems like you go back here, you can hack the chest infinite. Guessing, I don't know how I did it. I didn't know that. Come on. Frenzy. Oh yes, I definitely want that. Get rid of that. What is this? Okay. Picky. Dub. Let me just go back here. Let's get off. Hey, let me get off. I wanna go fight some people. Banana. I am coming for you. Hide. Or maybe you can hide. Cause I can't see you. It's not like I'll just find someone up this hill. Trying to snipe people. Shoo-hoo. Can I please find somebody? I wish I had the medallion thingy. Let me find someone. Please. There you go. Free shot. Can anybody hear this? Oh yes. Come on. Are you trying to shoot at me? You really think you can shoot at me? Of course, 2 people teaming on me. Wish I could see him. I can't shoot that far. How do I get him? Does he have a sniper rifle? There's another guy. Come on, let me shoot them. Actually did some damage. Ah! Ow, ow, that's not nice. Luckily I have this. Can I just... No, please! That. Train challenge. Bad. give you that. I think that'll be it. Not this is. You should never land on the train. Man.